Hello, and welcome back to Living with a Leukodystrophy. I'm your host, Carol Cross, and with me again in the studio is Miss Laura Cross, who is an individual living her life with a leukodystrophy. Hello, Laura. How are you today?
Fine.
That's good. On today's episode, we are going to be presenting some questions that I used when I gave a presentation several years ago to a group of doctors and scientists who are all involved in research and discovering new treatments for individuals with Krabbe disease, which is Globoid Cell Leukodystrophy. So I presented some questions. I was also given some questions to ask of Laura, who then gave me the answers, and I wrote them all down. And so on several of these questions that are a little bit longer, I'm going to read Laura's response to you, but then on 3 of the questions, I'm going to ask her, and she's going to share those answers with us today. So, are you ready, Laura? Okay. So the first one is, the question is, how does your body feel on most days? And I'm going to read Laura's response that she told me, and I wrote down in response to this question. Laura said, "My body feels good on most days. When I feel really nervous, sad, or excited, my legs get stiff, and people have a hard time understanding me because the muscles in my mouth are tight too. When I calm down, the tightness subsides. When I have Botox injections, I feel loosened up, and that really helps." Okay. The next question that was asked of Laura was, what are the top 2 symptoms or issues with your disease that bother you the most? So Laura, what are the two things that bother you the most about living with a leukodystrophy?
Well, the fact that I'm in a wheelchair.
That you can't that you can't walk, that your legs don't work properly. Okay. So that's one. What's another issue about your disease that bothers you?
My hands are tight all the time.
Okay, so that tightness.
And they do with us.
Yeah. Okay, so your legs and then the tightness in your hands. Those are the things that bother you. Some things that bother you. Okay. What if researchers and scientists could fix one problem today that's related to your leukodystrophy? What would you like that to be?
Fixing my land around my nose.
Okay, so that coating that's around your nerves that has been disrupted and the formation's been hasn't gone as it should because of your leukodystrophy. And so when that coating's not formed properly around your nerve, then the signal from your brain out to your body is slowed. Okay, so you want them to fix the myelin, repair your myelin. And there are people working on that, Okay, those are good answers. Thank you. Then the next question I'm going to go ahead and read, okay, because this was a pretty long answer from you, but a really great answer. So the question was, what do you wish people knew about Krabbe disease? So living with a leukodystrophy, with Globoid Cell Leukodystrophy. And Laura said, even though people with Krabbe disease seem like they don't understand things, they do. There are a lot of things swirling around up in my mind. Krabbe disease makes a person tough and strong. Having Krabbe disease is not easy, but you get used to it. And we have big hearts that can love. The love in the Krabbe community is special and different than anywhere else. That is very true. Okay. And the very last question, Laura, if you will take this for us today. The question asked, currently, what's your favorite thing to do in your free time?
Make people smile and laugh.
So you like to be a comedian in your free time? Yeah, you like to tease people?
Yeah,
You like to joke around with people for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that that's true. Yeah. But that's a good thing to do with your free time, to make other people smile. That's a good thing. It makes other people happy and makes yourself happy too. All right. Well, thank you for answering those questions today for us, Ms. Cross, and we hope that Laura gave you some insight into what it's like to live with a leukodystrophy. Thank you again, and have a great day, and we'll see you next time.